Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, you can see this three-side glass the display coolers, and they come in with the glass door at the front, swing doors. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, about like 46.5 inches wide. And the units will be 30 inches deep. And the overall height will be almost like 81 inches tall. As you can see, we're having the unit's glass at the front, and looking down the bottom, we have a grills covers the evaporators, and they do have a controllers. Have a small digital display right here. You can set in the temperatures, and we're having switchers and the lightings for the control right here. Now let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the shelvings, they are almost like 16.5 inches deep. And 42 inches wide. Entirely space, they are 43 inches wide. And 19 inches deep. And the height is about like 57.5 inches tall. The units coming with the LED lights on the side, and also having the big ventilation fan on the top. And when you open the door, and you can see this one is soft closed. And this is the front information about the units. Let's take a look at the behind. And this is the unit's back looks like. From here, we're having the car sheets. You can see all informations. And we're looking down the bottoms. We're having the US standard plugs right here among the machines. And the compressor is built inside at the bottom. And this is video all about the units. And if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.